Hello folks, I've got a 2007 Chevy Express with 4.8 engine. This is a cargo van, and today I'm going to show you how you reset the oil light on this truck. So basically the light I'm talking about, I'm going to turn the car on, and I'm talking about this light right there. Okay, so what do you need to do? You need to shut the car off, turn it on, and press on the accelerator pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna notice that this is gonna start flashing. Once it starts flashing, I think it was like 2 or 3 flashes, I believe 2 of them, the light goes off. Now if we turn the car on and look at this light, it's gone. Thanks for watching folks, have a great day.